with using ancient systems such as smoke signals and carrier pigeons. Then, the radio was invented in the 1880s by Marconi, and being modified during World War II in many sophisticated military radio systems. It exponentially grows in cellular use since 1988 until now, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth then emerges and grows as well. What beholds in future wireless network? Ubiquitous communication among people and devices, next-gen cellular or Wi-Fi's, smart homes or space, autonomous cars, smart cities, body area, network, Internet of Things, and more are yet to come. What is the Internet of Things? It means enabling every electronic device to be connected to each other and the Internet, including smartphones, consumer electronics, cars, lights, clothes, sensor, medical devices, and more. The value in IoT is data processing in the cloud. Cellular technology works by covering certain areas with land-based tower. It is mostly used due to its high data rate, flexible use and spectrum, and all IP network. Now, majority of area is covered, which means there is almost no limit using cellular anywhere. Wi-Fi also works by covering areas, but this time it is more limited. Its upside is the high data rate and internet, while the downside is low flexibility use and spectrum. Usually offices where data rates are needed for every employee uses Wi-Fi. Satellite is also talked about when speaking of wireless communication. Coverage from the space makes usage applicable anywhere, but with the ongoing development of an all-IP network and expensive cost, it is used majority for emergency calls. Bluetooth is some sort of wireless technology where it replaces the needs of cable connection. It has very limited range and few application beyond cable replacement. The challenges are within the network or radio and the device system on a chip or SoC. In network, the challenges are gigabytes per second data rates without errors, energy efficiency, scarce spectrum, reliability and coverage, heterogeneous network, and seamless inter-network handoff. In device, the challenges are performance, complexity, size, power, cost, energy, high frequencies or millimeter wave, multiple antennas, multi-radio integration, and coexistence. Shannon theory suggests how far the limits of information that can be carried by a network channel. From this equation, the larger the bandwidth, the larger the signal-to-noise ratio, the larger the Shannon capacity, the better. But how far is the limit? Many factors that dictate the value. These are the factors. Software-defined radio is the solution for the device challenges, because not only the radio is known for the module, but as a software as well. Wideband antennas and AC to DC span bandwidth of desired signals, and digital signal processor programmed to process desired signal and means no specialized hardware. Spectral reuse is the solution for the scarce spectrum problem in cellular. Basically, every area are divided into cells and every cell besides each other is different. Then beside the different spectrum is the same spectrum as before, hence recycled. Moreover, it should be regulated by the governments. Standard can be benchmarked from ITU-T, IEEE, and other innovation.